is remaining. Yeah, so that's how the fridge looks like, the freezer, sorry, before we clean. I think I'm only seeing some particles on this side. On the fridge side, this is where the problem is. We have some leftover rice, but it's okay. At least this time I don't have spoiled food, because I made a policy that I will clear the fridge before any other cooking. This is some rosemary I had removed. Then someone decided they're going to put it back in the fridge. Then we have some githeri, this one we fried. Then we have, this one has some rosemary, and I think the needs see. Then we have some cabbages. Let me just put them there. Then we have some curry over here. Then you have some tomatoes over there. You see, they're dirty. You can see, it's very dirty. Then we have some sliced bell pepper. I needed to top up, but they were not available at Naivas. Then we have some spinach, which I came with from my mom's place. You can see also this one is dirty. You can see it's really dirty. Then we have some, these are arrowroots and sweet potatoes. I only have one meal of the same. Here we have some spring onions. Then we have mabuyu. I don't know what they're called in English. I don't know. If you know, comment down below. This is where the dirt is. You can see this one is even stained. And there's, I don't know why, by the way, I don't know why I have mabuyus in the fridge. Don't ask me. So you can see there's so much dirt over there. Then we go to the vegetables and fruit section. We have this pineapple, which we are going to eat right now. Then we have the cabbages. Most likely by the time you're watching this video, you have watched our previous videos on how we store cabbages. You can see. And then this is our fruit compartment, vegetables compartment, looking all dirty. Yeah, so we have to remove it. So you can see even underneath it's dirty. So we are cleaning now. So the fridge is now completely empty. We have removed the partitioning. You can see it's very dirty. So at the door we have the eggs. Then we have some plain yogurt. Then we have some soy sauce. The reason I put it in this jar is because the last time we forgot to put in a jar, the mess that happened, and I didn't know another one was open. And then we have tomato paste and more soy sauce. Then we have some go fruit, mojito and mango. Then we have some 4th Street, and Bailey's is still here. I think I should drink it together. So this is how the door looks like. See how dirty. How often do you clean your fridge? Comment down below. Other than here, mainly because of the eggs, and there because of the mabuyus, I think it's not that bad. Is it really that bad? And the fruits. So let's now go to the next step. Added white vinegar to clean. Then we are going to add some bicarbonate soda. Then we mix. I want to put them in this old container, this one, so that we can have a spray. So we are now going to spray inside. You can see we created a sprayer. I think one of the reasons why my fridge is not extremely dirty is because I store my items in containers. Because you can see the only items that are all over are the items which were not in containers. So I think it's a good hack you can practice to ensure that you store your items in a container. They will help you when it comes to maintaining your fridge. Yeah, you can see this is Mabuyu, and this is because the container has some space. Then the rosemary is because someone decided to remove it from the container. So I think that's a hack for maintaining your fridge, so that even when it comes to cleaning, it's not a lot of work. Then, as it was soaking, I've added Astonish kitchen cleaner citrus groove. This is a bit soapy, so at least it will help even in the cleaning. Yeah, so I'm just going to go in with the cloth and clean it up. At this point, on this spot, so I'm going to use a toothbrush, and I want to give a shout out to Learn with Flo. She gave us all the ideas, and she gives us hacks as to how to get things through. Like now, this is one of the hacks she has shared in her channel. So if you're into home organization, please check her out. She will definitely give you a tip or two. The major hack I learned from her is how to light a jiko using a gas cooker. So I don't want to tell you what she did, but check her out. She really did an amazing job. At least fridge is finished, and that has been working for us. And this also helps you to reduce the food going bad in the fridge. To be honest, I'm proud of how we have managed this cooking this time round, and maybe by posting that other video it has helped us improve on the practice of ensuring that whatever is cooked is finished before we cook something else. The other things now we are practicing is, as often as possible, we check whether there is spillage or there is dirt in the fridge, and we just clean it up. That ensures that there are no stains. You know, when you have stains and you're struggling to scrub them, you're going to spoil your fridge. The other thing is we ensure that we have checked what is in the fridge before we go for any grocery shopping, to ensure that we don't duplicate our stock. How often do you deep clean your fridge, and how are you able to maintain your fridge? Comment down below. Let us also learn together and learn the ideas each and every one of us has, so that we can improve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe somewhere down below and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. To my Premier Gang, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support.